Can you grow ginseng in Florida? We've been wondering whether you can grow ginseng in warm climates. In the South, maybe even in Florida. Well, there's only one way to find out. So, today we're starting our ginseng growing experiment because ginseng powder is very expensive. We found an American grower and we bought these 4-year-old ginseng roots. We also bought some ginseng seeds, and although it's a long shot, we figured why not try. That's how we do everything. Whether you've seen us do mangoes, we do avocados from seeds. We do everything we can from seed if we have the seeds. But why not try ginseng? Well, because everyone tells us that we should not be growing ginseng in warm climates. We should not be growing ginseng in the South or in Florida. Usually you can find, well, you used to be able to find wild ginseng growing in the mountains, North Carolina, Kentucky, West Virginia, not in Florida. And most ginseng is imported from Asia, China specifically. And here in America, a lot of the ginseng comes from Wisconsin. But we're going to give it a try. Today's not one of those videos where we'll show you to the end result because ginseng takes years to grow, which is why we started with the 4-year-old roots and also the seeds. So we have something to start with and hopefully something to continue with. First, we thought we were going to use this beautiful blue pot, but then after some more research, we realized no, we need something with good drainage. So we picked up 2 of these big 5-gallon pots at a community garden sale, and they will do, and hopefully they will do what we need them to do. So let me move this big blue pot down. Let's give it a try. The planting guideline says choose a well-drained shady spot in the woods, no direct midday sunlight, preferably around ground vegetation and where weeds are already growing. Oh, we have those kind of places, but we don't have any mountains, and while we do have wild forest, we decided to put these in pots for the very reason that we want to move them inside in the summer. So once the outside temperature becomes the same as our inside temperature, our plan is to move these 2 pots inside. Call me crazy? Go ahead. Yes, go ahead. Call me crazy in the comments. I'm going to try anyway. Have you been growing ginseng indoors? If you have, I would love to hear about it. Okay, let's try planting these ginseng roots. So we're digging them about 1 to 2 inches deeper than the actual root. Replace the root. We're probably gonna put some more soil on top afterwards. And the last one. And this pot, by the way, we put leaves in the bottom, some wood chips. We always do that with all pots. And then we had some organic store-bought soil that we are putting at the very top. I'm gonna go get some more soil. We just got to top it off. So this is how we're doing the ginseng roots. We've been told not to expect too much, but if we don't try, how will we know? Okay, let's plant the seeds. Alright, time to plant the seeds. So, they're supposed to be spaced And rows that are 6 inches apart, at least 1 inch apart. But you know what? We're not really expecting all of these to take, so we are just gonna plant them wherever we can and see what grows. Now when you get your ginseng seeds, make sure that you get some that has already been pre-stratified, meaning they've already gone through a cooling period, because they need that to germinate. We are going to put as many as we can fit in this pot. Germination rate is probably not going to be very well down here because it is not the optimal environment, so we are just going to see what happens. We're going to top this with some more soil. There we have it. And there you go. Ginseng seeds planted in Florida. It is the beginning of November, and the temperatures are beginning to get a little bit lower here in Florida. So, especially the night temperatures. We are in Northeast Florida, so 9B. So we are going to leave them outside. We are going to find a shaded spot on the northeast side and see what happens. And there we go. The ginseng root, the ginseng seed, they are now tagged. They are underneath a big oak tree outside of a fence. This is a place where they will get very little filtered light, and they will still get exposed to the cold or the winter. We might actually move them out a little bit so they get more cold over the winter, but we don't want these to get too much sun, so that is the challenge. Thanks for watching. We hope you will hit the subscribe button, hit save, so that you can come back and see what's going on with these. It's going to be quite a while before we give an update on it, but we will give an update. Perhaps nothing will happen at all. Maybe something will happen. Perhaps it's a completely failed project from the beginning, but you know what? Only time will tell. So come back, hit save, hit subscribe, give us a like, and watch some of our other videos about growing things.